In this video, you'll find out everything you need to know to get your totally wicked Arc Mini e-cigarette set up and ready to use. First, remove the packaging of the box and you'll find one Arc Mini battery, one CS micro tank which is fitted with a CS 1.5 ohm atomizer head, a USB charging cable and a user manual. So the first thing you want to do is prime the atomizer head. To do this, first remove the atomizer head from the tank by unscrewing the atomizer base, then unscrew the atomizer head. Then simply add a few drops of e-liquid onto the cotton material of the atomizer head. Then screw it back into the base. Leave the base of the tank detached for now, because next you need to fill the tank with e-liquid. To do this, turn your tank upside down and squeeze some e-liquid into either of the filling holes at each side, but don't put e-liquid into the middle hole. So now screw the base onto the tank and then screw your tank back onto the battery. You should leave the kit for 5 minutes to give the e-liquid time to soak the atomizer head. Now this will remove the risk of it burning out prematurely. So you're now almost ready to go. It's just a couple of settings to check before you start vaping. First of all, turn your e-cig on with 5 quick clicks of the power button. The screen on the top of the battery will turn on to show your current battery level. So you now need to set your power output. The Arc Mini has variable wattage up to 20 watts, so you can tailor the power to your personal needs. So first you'll want to put the Arc Mini into wattage mode. To do this, click the power button 3 times. Then use the up and down buttons to cycle through the screen display options until the W symbol illuminates. Click the power button once and your display will show the wattage level. So to change your wattage, use the up and down buttons just beneath the screen. Your ideal wattage will depend on your own preferences as well as the resistance of the atomizer head which is fitted. Now 12 to 15 watts is a good starting point with the standard Arc Mini atomizer heads. But if you try any different resistance atomizer heads, you can find a suitable wattage etched onto the side. You're now ready to go, so simply hold the power button down and inhale on the mouthpiece to activate the Arc Mini. It will already be partly charged and ready to use out the box, but when you do need to recharge, do so using the cable provided. You should always use either a specific e-cigarette wall plug or plug the cable directly into a USB port on a laptop or a computer when charging your kit. So from time to time your atomizer head will need changing. You will know when it's time to change because you'll experience a slight burnt taste, a loss of flavour production or a loss of vapour production. To change your atomizer, unscrew the base of the tank, unscrew your current atomizer and dispose of it. Then simply repeat the steps from when you initially primed and fitted your atomizer head. Now remember to prime your atomizer head and leave it to soak in the tank for 5 minutes every time you change to a new one. So that's all you need to know to get your Arc Mini up and running. But if you have any further queries, then visit your local store, contact our customer service team or leave a comment below.